So I'm taking some green chilies, garlic, onion, green peas, and tomato. So it's all up to you which vegetable you want to put in your Maggi. You can put that and enjoy it. So I will put only these veggies, and now let's make it. If you want, you can put these masala magic Maggi masala, or otherwise you can put some salt and red chili. Or if you don't want it extra spicy, actually I like it very spicy, so I do that. And if you don't want, you can simply put the Maggi masala pouch, which it comes, the taste maker which comes in the Maggi itself.